What is up, you guys? We are back here in Las Vegas, and today I'm staying at the Flamingo. I've never stayed here. It's one of the older casinos on the Strip. Let's start off by checking the Flamingo Garden. I think that's the name, or Flamingo Conservatory. They got flamingos, they got fish, koi fish for that, and some ducks and birds that almost hit me in the head. This video, I think I'm going to start with what the hotel has to offer and what's going on around here. Obviously, you just saw the Flamingo Conservatory or Garden, and now check out this pool. The pool has some cool features. I'm not going swimming. It is open. It's a little warm. It's like in the 70s today, so it's not too bad. But I figure I'll show you the casino right now. I see in this casino, there are a lot of slot machines. Now I'm gonna see if I can find some table games because that's what I like to do, but there's definitely a lot of slots for you slot players out there. So it looks like they have a decent sized table selection here. The tables are crowded today on this Monday afternoon, and look, there's a bar over there too. In the middle of the casino they have Bugsy's Bar with a lot of games at the bar top there, so pretty sure if you're playing you can get some free drinks. Just make sure you tip good. This casino does have the new craps, roulette, blackjack tables here, which I find are great for beginners because you don't have to worry about making mistakes in front of everybody because you have your own little table right in front of you. There's definitely no shortage of bars in this place. I think this is the third or fourth one I counted so far, and it looks like they have beer pong. It is kind of a weirdly designed casino. It's kind of just they're putting slots wherever they can. This is literally a walkway to get out to, I believe, the Strip or the Promenade, the Linq Promenade. The awesome thing about the Flamingo is right outside of it, you have the Linq Promenade here, which has lots of different food options, treats, shopping, and you're right next to the Linq, so you can just basically, it's a hop, skip, and a jump to get to the next hotel. They also have this great place called the Bird Bar. It lets you sit right here on the Strip and people watch. What a great place to people watch. You're pretty much eye level. And right across the street is Caesars. So what a great location if you want to go to check out Caesars and go shopping over there. There's so much to do over there. It's right across the street. Like every property on the Strip, they got their wine and spirits store. So if you didn't bring any alcohol or you don't want to pay at the bar, you can come in here and grab a bottle of wine, a can of beer, a seltzer, a shot, anything basically. They do have a pretty good sized food court here to get you some cheap eats. If you don't want to spend a lot of money but get something quick, come on by. They got a Johnny Rockets and of course your New York style pizzeria. But if that's not your liking, you can come get some Pan-Asian food, which looks delicious. And if Asian food's not your delight, then maybe just come get a sub. But if you want to go for something a little bit nicer, you can go to Carlos and Charlie's Tacos and Margaritas. The sports book is not a bad size over here. Plenty of room for you to watch the games, a lot of TVs, not too shabby. And if you do have a sweet tooth, you can come to Carlos's Bake Shop. Basically got cakes in this vending machine. Becky and I had one before. It's all right. For $9 a slice of cake, For entertainment, they do have a few things. They got the Wayne Newton Theater here. I mean, I think he'd probably be a pretty cool cat to see. And if you're into something a little more R-rated, they have the XX Burlesque show. But the show I think I'd want to see most is Piff, the Magic Dragon. I just think he has my sense of humor. I made it to the room. Let me tell you about it. I tried checking in at 3:40, just about 20 minutes before my check-in time. Never been a problem before. Says the room's not ready. Okay, I went to the bar, played a little blackjack for 25 cents a hand because I'm a big spender, and time went by. So now I was like, okay, it's 4:10, 4:15. Let me go try checking again. It said the first time they were gonna send me an email when the room's ready. So I was like, I have nothing to do, so I'm just gonna go try again because I didn't get the email. So I went back, tried, still said the room's not ready. At this point, the seltzer that I had while I was playing a little blackjack is starting to kick in. I need to maybe use the restroom. And time is ticking. So I'm like, okay, let me go get lost in TikTok for a while. And I did that, went and got lost for TikTok. Then I'm like, checking my email, still no email. So I'm like, now it's about 4:50. So we're about 50 minutes past check-in time. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just go ask somebody and see what's going on. I'm not getting an email yet. So we ain't got in line. The guy checked me in. Like there was a room available, just not for me. But I guess if he did a little magic, he gets me a room. I don't know what he did, but I did get a very nice room. I did get a very nice view. I am in the Habitat Tower, which means I have a view of the Habitat, the swimming pool, and the Linq. And I'll be showing you that as soon as I take you around the room. But just so you know, it is Monday night, staying overnight, leaving tomorrow on Tuesday. The room cost me $44. The resort fee is $39.95. Plus taxes and stuff, so basically $95.18. You do have to pay for parking. They'll add that to the room. It's probably $15. That's just everywhere you go now on the Strip. I want to take this time to thank you guys for watching this video. And if you haven't done so already, just do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button right there. Hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime we throw up a video. We don't have a schedule. It just greatly helps the channel if you're subscribed, and when you get notified you can watch the videos. I have a couple more Vegas videos of the hotels coming out, so please make sure you do that. We appreciate it so much. So like I said earlier, I got the Single King Go. It's called a Go King room, and it's very nice. It looks maybe recently renovated in the last probably 5 years, I would say. Maybe a couple of years, because it seems pretty clean. I mean, there's a questionable stain on the couch here. I call it the therapist chair, but you know, I don't plan on spending a lot of time there. I got this really nice king size bed. You got 2 nightstands. I'm here by myself. I only need 1 nightstand. Now the tough choice is what side do I sleep on. I was laying on it a little bit earlier. Seems very comfortable. This is the therapist chair. That is the questionable stain. I'm not sure. I'll probably sit over there or sit over here, or I'll just sit at this nice table right here in the corner. Has some nice clean chairs. I like that they're fake leather, so that way they're clean off real nicely, so I don't have to worry about that staying there. Nice little side table there. Cute little lamps right here. Very great. Now, big size TV. I'm loving that. And also, I'm gonna take you over here. Look at this. I was not expecting this. I am gonna go to CVS and buy me a few libations, because this is an actual refrigerator that we can use, not a mini bar. I love it. And then besides that, we have a safe. Hopefully the safe works this time. My last hotel did not, with some shelves and more shelves. I am loving the fact that that is not a mini bar. I am going to go shopping, and I think there's a CVS close by. I always recommend, get your booze at CVS. There's a bunch of them on the Strip or Walgreens, because it's much cheaper. You get a tall can for like $3.99 versus the you know, the local stores inside these casinos. They cost a little bit more there, a lot more. I do not know what it is with these barn doors. Hotels, why are you doing these? Look at this, barn door slide. At least this one doesn't slide into a closet. Like, I don't have to worry about killing myself going into the closet while Becky opens the door, even though she's not here this time, but normally we're traveling together. So now, let's check out this bathroom. This bathroom has a beautiful light. It serves the purpose. You got your makeup mirror, nice clean sink. Obviously, most important thing in here is that. And this, the shower. Now the shower is nice. I like it. I'm not a big fan of this, these dispensers, because look at, there's nothing here. You have conditioner, body wash. Luckily, I have no hair, so I don't need shampoo, but if somebody else was here, they might need some shampoo. So I could call, but I'm not going to, because no shampoo needed. Look at this view, guys. Under $100, this is what I got. So right down below, I got the habitat for flamingos and birds and stuff. A view of the pool. Look at how beautiful this view is of the Linq. There's rooms to the left, there are rooms to the right, and I think I'm center stage. So view, definitely a win. Not a Strip, but I actually like the fact that I get to see this Linq lit up at night. I bet you it's beautiful colors. I'll try to pop that in there later in the video. And I'm curious to see what this looks like down here at night. So I always wonder, like, can people see in my room with the window open like this? And I always thought they could, because I could see out just perfectly. But guess what? I'm looking at the rooms over there, and I can't see in. Let me show you. Look, I don't know if they put some sort of special film on these windows. You cannot see in those rooms. I cannot see in those rooms. So I feel that I could probably stand here in my birthday suit and no one's gonna see it. Because trust me, you don't want to see that. Overall, this room is way better than I expected. I've never stayed at the Flamingo. I do like some Caesars properties though, because we stayed at Hera, we stayed at the Linq, which is like right next door, which is a big benefit. It's not like a huge walk to get to different casinos like on these mega giant resorts where you have to walk a mile to get to the next one, it seems like. So big plus. Totally clean room besides that little special stain right there. Very nice. I am very impressed.